Hello friends! In this video you will see various curious and funny pendulums. This group of pendulums of different lengths can draw beautiful curves similar to a sine wave. This pendulum is fueled by a static charge received from a high voltage source of 30,000 volts. It will oscillate so long as the bells receive a charge from the power source. And this pendulum is just fun, so I decided to show it to you. And in the end, look at this pendulum with a very large oscillation period. It is powered by energy stored in a twisted rubber band. Have a nice day and the same mood.